car with a big burnout, flames flying out of the pipe. This gentleman knows what he's doing with his white rims on the front, at least as it apparently looks so. Supercharged 580 going to the left lane vehicle. Telling him to put his windows up. Ladies and gentlemen, with your windows down, you lose the force of... Put your windows up, keep yourself off.